Hey, Robbie over Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec High Performance Stubby AM/FM antenna for Jeep Wrangler. Now the antenna is available to fit both the 87 to 06 Jeep YJ and TJ, as well as the newer 07 and up Jeep Wrangler JK, including the all-new Jeep Wrangler JL. Each antenna includes not only the 16-inch stubby antenna featuring rugged off-road CB styling, but also includes a threaded adapter that allows you to install the antenna into the factory mounting antenna base on the side of your specific year range Wrangler without any modifications to your Jeep required. Now the stubby antenna features a fiberglass inner mast that's both strong and durable, as well as copper windings and brass plating, and then the entire antenna has been covered with a black waterproof UV stable sleeve and cap. Now all that combines to a static reducing, high performing AM/FM antenna in a much smaller and more stylish compact package. Now installation of the antenna is easy. It's simply going to require 2 wrenches. Now I will say if you have an older YJ or TJ, or maybe even an older couple-year-old JK, it may be a good idea to give a quick shot of your favorite penetrating oil to the base of the antenna there just to help break it loose. Then you're going to grab a 3/8 open-end wrench so that we can go ahead and quickly remove the factory antenna. Now, once we have that out of the way, go ahead and grab your stubby antenna and the included threaded adapter for your specific year range Jeep, and we'll go ahead and thread that onto the base of the antenna. Now we can install the assembly into the antenna base on the side of your Jeep. Once we have that finger tight, we can go ahead and grab our 7/16 open-end wrench and simply snug the antenna down. Now, as you can see, the stubby antenna sits well below the roofline of our Wrangler, which should greatly reduce any chance of any limbs out on a trail grabbing, bending, or breaking your antenna. It also eliminates any chance of that large factory antenna whipping around, smacking into the windshield frame, or even potentially into your windshield, which could possibly crack it. Now, for even more convenience, we also offer a stainless steel antenna quick disconnect that is available separately, and that installs between the antenna and the adapter. And once it's installed, it allows the removal of your antenna without any tools required. So we'll go ahead and install the antenna into the antenna quick disconnect by simply threading it into the top. And then we can thread the antenna quick disconnect into the included adapter for your specific Wrangler. Now we can install that complete assembly into the factory antenna mounting base on the side of your Wrangler. Now once that's finger tight, we'll go ahead and grab our 1/2-inch open-end wrench so that we can snug down the quick disconnect, followed by our 7/16 open-end wrench so that we can snug the antenna into the quick disconnect. Now at this point, if you need to remove your antenna, if you're going to be headed down a densely wooded trail, or maybe even if you're just simply headed through an automatic car wash, you can do that by simply pushing down with a 1/4 turn counterclockwise to quickly remove the antenna. And when you're ready to reinstall it, we simply place it back in place, push down with a 1/4 turn, and it secures the antenna back in place on your Wrangler. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase a Quadratec high-performance stubby AM/FM antenna or quick disconnect adapter for your Jeep Wrangler, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the stubby antenna, well, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And of course, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.